What's the meaning of cross-current? Cross-current. Cross-current.
Cross-current. Cross-current. The term cross-current typically refers to opposing or conflicting currents that flow in different directions. When applied to a situation or problem, it can describe the presence of conflicting forces or ideas that create a complex and challenging environment. In such cases, individuals or groups may have to navigate these cross-currents carefully to achieve their goals or find a solution. The result of navigating cross-currents successfully can lead to innovative solutions, increased resilience, and higher levels of creativity. However, failure to do so may result in chaos, stagnation, or conflict.